Hello, good afternoon, and welcome once again to my channel. My name is Chioma Francis. So today I'll be showing you a quick and easy way to make your Arabian whitening oil. Your Arabian whitening lotion. This lotion will give you like a yellow undertone. You know, that's yellow purple skin tone. That is the color it's going to give you, make you flawlessly fair without blemishes, and also glow your skin. The products I'm using are piment doux 7 juice. Here we'll have shenics 3 days oil. Here we'll have Dr. Miracle serum. Like, this is good. If you're mixing cream and you're not using this, then I don't know what else you're using. And here we'll have our bell kenacol. And here we'll have skin-free milk. This is a very strong bleaching milk. And here we'll have our Veet Gold 3-in-1 body treatment oil. This oil is for whitening, firming, and also toning the skin. If you have any issues like stretch marks, dark spots, knuckles, acne scars, this oil is very good for it. It is purely organic. Look at it, 100% plant extract. You can use directly on your body. Before, the glycerin that I normally use is bio eclat, but since I discovered this Veet Gold, I started using it. Although you can still use your bio eclat, that is if you're making in bulk, like for clients, because this oil is a bit expensive. Yeah, so I've measured, okay, and I'm also using Kojic carrot tube. It is very good, 5 days triple action. You can use more than one, but I don't really like using tubes, so I'm just using one tube and more of serums. Here I've measured out, these are all the serums and the tube I used. And like I always say, when you are pro-mixing, many people say, their creams don't work, it's not effective and all that. When you are pro-mixing, if you are using an organic base cream as your base for the pro-mix, let's say you will use 40% base cream and 60% serums. Your serums should be more than your base cream. If you're using an already made product as your base, then it should be 60-40, meaning that your base should be more than your serum, because your base is an already made product, which can be a lightening product or a whitening product. So you don't need much serums and all those pro mixing, because it's when you add so many things that the person starts complaining of, different skin reaction. This is an organic base cream. I just added Kojic acid, vitamin C, and I think licorice to it. So it doesn't have much additives. That is why I'll be using all the serums in it. As you can see, my serums are more than my base cream. The base cream we have here is just 2 of this spoon. And you can see how thick it is. So by the time I finish mixing this, I'll have like a very good consistency. So let's get to mixing. First, this is my mixing bowl. I'm going to pour in my serums to it. Yeah. Then this is my base cream. I'm just going to slowly add it into the serums. I'll have to pause and... Okay, so here is my lotion that I've mixed. You can see it's still a bit thick. So what I'll be doing is to add some oils to it. Okay, so I've added more serums and some oil to it. I added some Dr. Miracle serum, a little bit of more skin-free milk, and I added sweet almond oil to it. And here, this is the consistency. This is how I want it to be, because I normally put my creams in a plastic jar. I don't normally do lotions. I prefer creams to lotions. But if you want yours to be more like in a lotion consistency, this you know, this is okay. You don't want your lotion to be too watery. You can put this in a lotion bottle, in a jar, or anything. You can see how it is. And you know, it is also vital that when you're mixing your creams, you know, don't smize on your serums, because when you're using little serum, you will take 1 tablespoon of serum, add this one table of that one, and then you will use 1 kilogram of 500 grams of base cream, and you expect it to work. It's not going to work, you know, especially when you're starting out in this business. Make your products to be so unique and nice. Once they use it and see the outcome on their skin, then they will come back and even refer more people to you, you know. So it's just quick and easy. There's nothing more to pro mix. There are so many products that you can use to still achieve this. We have so many different types of serum. Every day new serums are coming out, new tubes. So there are so many ways to pro mix something. And pro mixing is also your knowledge of cosmetic products. You can go to the supermarket and you will see new things, and you know, you will just want to try them out. But this is basically what I use. I sell to people, to my clients, those abroad, here in Nigeria. And this is what I use, but I use only at night. So please, if you want to use this, because of the serums and everything, use only at night so that you will get a very good and perfect result. If you want to use during the daytime, use your sunscreen. Those abroad, you know, during the winter, you can use this morning and night without, you know, being scared of sunburn or anything. This cream is perfect. You won't have cause to worry for any kind of stretch marks, dark knuckles. In fact, if you have dark knuckles, it's going to help you to fade it off. If you have stretch marks, concentrate on the area, especially those with those dark fat stretch marks, you know, apply it there very well. If you have dark knuckles, dark feet, you know, apply this lotion very well there. All right, I'll have to pour this into my jar right now. These jars, we get lots of them here in Owerri. If you're in Owerri, you can get this at everyday supermarkets. You know, it's not expensive. Like so many people that are into creams are now, you know, rushing it. You'll get it. It's very cheap. You can buy in carton. But please, if you're making creams for sale, do not use glass jars to sell. It's not good to store your lotions or your creams in glass jar. Use a plastic jar. I'm only using this one because this is what I have available and this is not for sale. I'll be using this for myself and my sister also. Yeah, so here it is, my Arabian whitening lotion. You know, like I said, this will give you a yellow undertone, a very nice complexion. So yeah, very easy and, you know, quick to make. So thank you for watching once again. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Thumbs up if you like. I'm going to leave the measurements under the description box, and also my email and contacts. My ebook is also on sale. If you need it, you contact me for it. Brand new ebook on pro mixing and organic skincare. All right, thank you. Bye.